Hi guys!
Today guys, we're gonna clean our phone.
So, tara? Hi guys! So, kakatapos lang namin mag-clean. Tingnan guys. So clean! So
Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes into a more.
So guys, samahan niyo ako magluto. Ano lang, basta kay ano.
20 more minutes into a more. 20 more minutes into a more.
Ah! Ah! Ang init guys!
I hit it fast, yeah. I hit it slow, but by the morning, girl, I gotta go. Gotta get ready, tonight is my show. If you okay, you might open my show.
Done. Gotso sama deshita. Ah!
Girlfriend, bro, but you know I gotta keep her close. I'll be your legs and I keep them close. Living life on the edge, on the tightrope. I am so I don't need to know. Try to Bugatti like this.
Nakatulog ko guys, siguro mga 5 hours. Grabe, di na ako matulog ani mamaya guys.
Hi vlog. Welcome to Terry's vlog.
I'm gonna eat this chicken guys. So, mag-practice at guys. Dear Ate Haruka.
To. Kumusta guys? Welcome sa akong vlog. Bye. Hi guys! So, nag-ano mi karon makeup sa tawag ani? Grabe naman ang dami. Yari, sige ka na, ano ta? Oo, dayo, dapat! Hey, sino ka doon sa? Pangiti pa mo. So guys, awa ang makeup guys. Awa ang makeup guys. Char! So, mag-ano ta? Mag-TikTok sabi guys.
Hello guys, nag-Roblox sila guys.
Nag-Roblox. May pasok kami bukas. Powder, lipstick, and AirPods. Uniform na ako guys.
So, okay na guys. See you tomorrow. Guys, see you tomorrow. Guys, see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys.
Last call, but I'm at least like 2 in. Been waiting since you flew in. Been thinking and pursuing. I see life through a new lens. It's shaking, that shit moving. Been thinking you should move in.
So, guys, magtalit-talit tayo.
Let's mate and have a few kids. Why the fuck not? Truth is, I just got struck by Cupid. Let's make this shit exclusive. She wear it if the shoe fit. I lost her, I would lose it. She hop up on it, do tricks. I twist it like a Rubik's. No pillow talk, no loose lips. Why the fuck not? Just like I've been looking for you all year long.
Hi guys!
Something new in my eyes. Only time will tell.
Hi guys! Pauwi na kami guys!
赤ちゃんが教えてくれたいろんなビタミンミネラルプリなんだってどれどれ
Gali ang jabad guys. Say hi Jade!
So, guys, mag-work sa ata, guys. Mag-work sa ata. Kapoy kayo, guys. See you later, guys.
You couldn't get any better, baby. Your lips taste like candy.
유산 거죠. 어쨌든 우리 유튜브에 Japanese na siya, guys. So guys, kakauwi ko lang, guys. Mauro to akong vlog, guys. So, mag-vlog na po ko, guys, kay mag-makeup tutorial to tomorrow. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye!